Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to create your DeFi wallet on Binance. Step 1. Open Binance app and click on Wallet at the bottom right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Overview at the top right corner of Wallets page. Scroll down to find DeFi wallet and click on Activate. Step 3. Click on Create Wallet to create your own wallet. Step 4. Your DeFi wallet on Binance is now activated and ready for use. You can change the name of your wallet by clicking on the circled area in this image. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.